Alright, very good afternoon everyone. Thank you from Team D.LAB. Let's all build the future of tech together. I can see that my image cannot be seen so clearly, but yeah, I'm trying the effect of the green screen, but apparently it's not working that well, but let's try. So a very good afternoon to everyone. Thank you for joining this very nice sunny afternoon. Some parts of Singapore is raining, but if you guys can see me, yeah, so I am the ambassador for D.LAB, and today I'd like to share with you a bit about what D.LAB Dezign Laboratories is. We are very proud as a Singapore homegrown brand, and we have a clear mission. So D.LAB has been around for quite a number of years. We bring together cutting-edge IT products, consumer electronics to the Asia Pacific region, and we work very closely with factories around the world. In fact, many years ago, even before Alibaba was born, we were actually bringing products from China. So as you know, China has been quite an amazing country. There's been many factories in China. They used to be dubbed as the sleeping dragon. Why sleeping dragon? Well, many countries like Japan, US, United States, they have been pouring in and investing in state-of-the-art technology in China. So they have, you guys know, Apple is there. The big major brands from US, from Japan, they are manufacturing in China for the last 20 years or so. So when I traveled to China in the last 20 years, I've witnessed many factories. Actually, they have the future technology that is for the next 5 to 10 years. So you guys have heard of IoT, right? So IoT, Internet of Things, has been around somewhat 10 years ago. When I first visited a factory like in China 10 years ago, there's this factory that has all the IoT products, and I was kind of like amazed by how how updated China is. Yeah, so and I've always been amazed by so many factories in China and the sheer number of people that are kind of bringing together technology, bringing together products, hardware, and now China is into software, right? So it's very hard to believe that 20 years ago, the kind of technology that exists, and the factories in China have been absorbing this technology, and so for D.LAB, we have been kind of doing contract manufacturing for companies, and we hope that we can continue to bring good products with good quality at reasonable price to fellow Singaporeans. At the same time, we hope to also kind of like expand into the region. And as we continue to collaborate with factories for ODM, OEM development for our own brand D.LAB, we also support the distribution of China factory brands. So we are actively seeking overseas distributors for our brand, and we also hope to expand our global footprint beyond just Singapore. And yes, thank you once again for joining this live video. I'm sure a lot of you have not heard of this brand D.LAB, but I just want to share with you that we are a Singapore brand, and we kind of offer different products, mainly in consumer electronics and IT gadgets. So some of you have visited Challenger. We have products under our brand D.LAB at Challenger. We also have some of our products at the airport. So guys, if you are really interested to find out more about our brand, visit our website www.dezign, as in D-E-Z-I-G-N -lab.com. And we love to innovate. We hope to continue to innovate and bring good value products to you. We are also at many platforms. So if you go to Lazada, search for D.LAB. If you go to Shopee, search for D.LAB. And if you go to even Grab, you can also search for D.LAB. So I think that's the end of my session. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next video.